Hi, I'm Corey, and welcome to the third installment of the NAPA Echlin Professional Education Series. Today's topic is camshaft and crankshaft sensors, and why the part you recommend really matters to the performance of the vehicle and to the car owner. Now, most people think of cam and crank sensors like a light switch, meaning they either work or they don't. But there can be differences in how quickly and how accurately these sensors work, and that can affect not only fuel economy, but vehicle performance and vehicle emissions. Think about it this way. A four-cylinder engine at 3,000 RPMs is firing about 50 times per second, meaning each cylinder is firing at 12 to 13 times per second. And the slightest delay in a sensor's ability to do its job can affect ignition timing and fuel injection synchronization, and that can have a big impact on the performance of the vehicle. And that's why NAPA Echlin cam and crank sensors incorporate technology like integrated analog to digital converters for accuracy and advanced circuitry for immunity from electromagnetic interference and consistent performance. Camshaft sensors not only detect the speed of the cam, but also its relative position and if it's accelerating or decelerating. This information is used to determine fuel injector and ignition coil sequencing and is especially critical on modern VVT equipped engines. In fact, some modern engines have up to 4 sensors, 2 on the intake and 2 on the exhaust. Make sure you clarify which cam sensor is being replaced before you make that recommendation. We offer more than 400 precision-engineered cam sensors for the very best coverage in the industry, making it easier for you to recommend the correct parts to your customers. And like camshaft sensors, crankshaft sensors measure the position and speed of the crank and send data to the vehicle's PCM. That information is also used to adjust fuel injector synchronization and ignition timing. And like cam sensors, even the slightest delay or inaccuracy can affect vehicle performance and the fuel economy. And that's why our crank sensors feature high-strength neodymium magnets to make sure the correct voltage and data is being sent to the PCM for optimum vehicle performance. And because we are the experts in this category, we offer more than 500 crankshaft sensors. We even offer 50 cam and crankshaft sensor kits for vehicles with high failure rates, like the Nissan 3.5-liter V6. These kits include a precision-engineered sensor and the new connectors required for a complete service. So when your customers think that all cam and crank sensors are the same, remind them they aren't. While low-cost sensors may not throw a code, they also may not help the engine perform as well as it's capable of. Remind them that NAPA Echlin cam and crank sensors are precision engineered to match OE performance across the entire RPM range, and that each and every sensor is end-of-line tested for timing, pulse width, and signal amplitude so they can install it with confidence. Precision engineering and manufacturing, testing and validation, and the industry's best coverage. That's what's in our box. What's in yours?